Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve a simultaneous equation x plus y minus z equal to 14, y square plus z square minus x square equal to 46 and yz equal to 9. Now, what is the strategy to solve this question? If we look at the question, here it is y square z square and here it is yz. If I multiply this equation with 2, it will give me 2yz equal to 18. And if I subtract this from this equation, I can get an identity of the form a minus b whole square. And using this identity a minus b whole square, we can solve this question easily. Now let us solve this question. X plus y minus z equal to 14. Let us name this as equation number 1. Y square plus z square minus x square equal to 46. Equation number 2, and yz is equal to 9. Let it be in equation number 3. Now as I told you, we have to multiply equation number 3 by 2 and subtract from equation 2. Here I'll write multiply. So 2yz will be 9 into 2, that is 18. So y square plus z square minus x square minus 2yz, this will be 46 minus 18. On subtracting and rearranging, we'll arrange this like this: minus 2yz minus x square equal to, and I'll get 28. Now this is y square plus z square minus 2yz. You know the identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. If it is a plus b whole square, then I'll use a square plus 2ab plus b square. And for a minus b square, I will use a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can become y minus z whole square minus x square equal to 28. So our equation become y square plus z square minus 2yz minus x square equal to 28. Our equation was x plus y minus z equal to 14. Second equation was y square plus z square minus x square equal to 46. And third was yz equal to 9. So I'll write y minus z whole square minus x square equal to 28. Now here in this equation, y minus z, x plus y minus z equal to 14. In this equation we have y minus z whole square minus x square equal to 28. So let us substitute y minus z as some variable. Let us say it is something u. So our equation is u square minus x square equal to 28, and I will substitute in equation number 1 also x plus y minus z equal to 14. On substituting y minus z, so x plus u equal to 14. Now we have two equations, u square minus x square equal to 28 and x plus u or u plus x is equal to 14. Again we have another identity, that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b and a plus b. Now you see, if I use this identity over here and divide these two equations, I can get the value of u minus x. Using u plus x and u minus x, we can get the values of x and u, and we can solve the equation. So let us do that. U minus x and u plus x is equal to 28. This is one equation, and another u plus x is equal to 14. We are dividing these two equations, dividing. Let us say this is 4 or this is 5. Dividing 4 and 5. we can get u minus x is equal to 2. So we have u minus x as 2 and here u plus x is equal to 14. Now solving this 2, we can get 2u is equal to 16 and therefore u equal to 8 or u was y minus z. So y minus z is equal to 8. Now we have y minus z is equal to 8. We can substitute this in equation number 1, which was equation number 2. Substituting y minus z is equal to 8 in equation 1, we get x plus y minus z is equal to 14. It was 8. So we'll get x is equal to 6. So we have x is equal to 6 and y minus z is equal to 8. Right? Now you look, we have yz is equal to 9 and y minus z is equal to 8. So what are the possible chances? We have x is equal to 6 and y minus z is equal to 8. And our another equation is yz equal to 9. Now in this two equation, we can get the value of y and z. If I put y is equal to 9 and z is equal to 1, then I can get 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So x is equal to 6, y equal to 9 and z equal to 1 can be one of the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Now there is another possible chances of a solution. If I put y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to minus 1 minus 9, then also I can get y minus z as 8 because minus 1 minus of minus 9 will give me 8 and yz is equal to 9. So another solution is also possible, which is x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to minus 9. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with some more good questions on simultaneous equation. Goodbye.